I was like, Fetty, should I put the ref shirt on? He's like, hell yeah! Oh, it's gonna be the best video ever. I'm not using that dirty whistle. Forget that. You know how many people put that in their mouth? One too many. Literally, I've never seen Fetty more excited for a video than right now. Racers at the ready.
Yeah, that's a V8.
We're here today with Fetty Potter and Uzi Daniel. And Fetty was like, let's do drifter bike game of skate. Full part game of skate, everything on the bikes, full game, SKATE. Anything counts?
Anything counts?
Anything counts.
Okay,
These guys.
No like feet on the ground?
Oh yeah, no feet on the ground, okay. And
Really?
That's basically it. Wow. I've never seen Fetty more excited for a video. He's like chomping at the bit to get going. All right, Rochambeau.
Oh.
This video is not sponsored, okay? It's not. Fetty just likes having a good time on these drifter bikes.
50-50.
Wait, what? He's gonna 50-50 that? That was literally the smoothest thing I've ever seen. That was amazing. We're off to a very impressive start. We're counting it. Not as smooth, but that's just Fetty's style, all right? He's a little bit aggressive. What's your trick, Daniel?
I'm gonna try to feeble that.
I'm just trying to think of how a feeble would work on a bike. I'm allergic to misses.
So pitted, hit the lip like 360 on the flat.
He taught me how to do this yesterday. There is a freaking strategy. You turn, and then you reverse the wheel, and then it reverts it around somehow. Just watch this. I'll give you a rebate. I've seen Fetty do that before, and usually he's like all the way around perfectly, so he could do it better. Oh, there it is! Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You see him? He gave the flex. I'm gonna give it to him. That was really good, and that was a really bad high five.
Backspin.
I feel like he's gonna come off right here and just nail my ankles.
Yeah, I'm really scared standing here.
Fetty's going so fast and he makes it look really easy, but when you start pushing fast, first off, the pedals drift because the wheels just slide on the slippery ground. Also, they're going so fast that you're like, if you don't pedal, you're gonna break your leg. I gotta get this for my Instagram story. Fetty calls it good. All right, Fetty, what's your trick? He's gonna backside drift to fakie into the bank and roll down the bank fakie, or switch, or fakie, I don't know. He's literally got so much steez on that. Razor, if you're looking for a new team member, Fetty's your man. He's gonna do a fakie backside revert, like a half cab revert into it. Oh, wow! His skill is just unparalleled. Oh! Whatever. First blood, first blood. That's an S. Let me show you what scares me about this. Not going down the 5 because that's easy. What scares me is this corner right here. I won't even do that on a normal skateboard.
This is insane. Dude, it's nuts to see Fetty just doing this stuff like this. Like,
no.
He's gonna be the first pro.
You should take it down the Braille drop.
Dude! Just put the bank down there? Dude.
He could do it.
Dude, he could do it.
Fetty's going full ham right now. He said he's been preparing for this his whole life. Can I just tell you my favorite thing about these bikes is that there's no goofy or regular, so you can film on the same side for both people, right? I'm very curious to see what else Fetty can do. Are you kidding me? Why are you so good at this?
A lot of practice and determination got me to where I am today.
Proud of you.
Thanks.
He's gonna go up the bank, 360, and then come down. Never done this before. If he does this first try, I'll be very impressed because the wood does not slide. Daniel, you have a chance.
Taking it to the mini ramp.
Oh. Daniel was probably here for like a good 30 minutes just carving the mini ramp yesterday. I'm not even kidding. I go in my office and I come back out 10 minutes later and I just seen like, pew, pew.
Rock to fake. Rock to fake.
That was like a legitimate rock. Like he actually went up there, rocked, and then came back in. Look at this! Look at this man!
That's how you show up to the spot. What'd he do?
Drop in.
Okay.
Roll in.
Yeah, I'll drop in. I haven't tried that.
I jokingly told him to drop in because there's no way. He's like, drop in? I've never tried that. Let me try it.
Oh, a little harder than it seems.
Oh, man. I'm over it. I'm done. Sketchiest thing I've ever seen. Fetty looked like he was gonna do a front flip.
Rock to regular. Rock and roll. So
how do you rock and roll on a drift bike?
I don't know.
If you did the revert a little sooner, I'll give you a rebate.
Oh! Ow.
I'll give him a thumbs down.
I don't know what it'd be just to get this onto the coping.
It's like an axle stall.
Okay.
The drifter bike equivalent of an axle stall.
Alright, I'm gonna need the whole ramp for this.
He went up faking!
Did I get my truck on?
You did though, right?
Yeah, you just gotta
Any way
get
you
your
get
truck
out,
on.
I'll give it to you, as long as you get your truck up there. My judgment on that is that he said he was gonna get up there and he did, and whatever way he went out, pretty much, I'll give it to him.
I like that we're also calling that the truck.
Is that? No, my truck didn't get on there. Fakey rock on that.
After referee instant replay, his heel got very close to the ground but did not touch. It's good! You
When you're
can
doing
take
your
your
trick.
feet off the pedals, but you cannot touch the ground with your feet.
Rock and roll.
Your trick, Daniel. He's in pain.
I land on my kidney.
I'm gonna try a feeble on that ledge, the first ledge. You see him crawling away.
From the disastrous crash.
The defense game. I'm on 180 the hip. There's a little heel drag, but it's okay, I'll give it to him. It's like Daniel does the trick and then Fetty just fully does it better than him. That's good. How's that?
My foot hit.
His did too, we gave to him.
Oh, okay.
What is he doing?
Am I gonna die? This is legit pretty terrifying. Alright.
I mean, his foot came down, but like he's freaking going down a handrail on a tricycle, okay?
My tricycle championship. I can't get up there.
You got this, Fetty. Defense. Can someone do a backside revert into that? Oh my god. I wanted him to go off and then kind of slide and then it would work, but I mean.
Oh, hit. Oh no!
I give him A for effort though.
That was scary. Ollie oop 180s.
That was disgusting. He's gonna do a backside revert into this bank from the top ledge. That's what I'm talking about. I'll give you a rebate. His kidneys!
I've been hit.
That was the funniest thing I've seen all day, dude. I have tears in my eyes.
There is one trick that we can do, but I don't want to bring it there because
What?
it's sketchy.
this way.
Trying to kill me.
Board slide on here.
A board slide?
Right in the kidneys.
I'm gonna go for backlip to fakie.
All right, hold up. Backlip to fakie. Oh, wow.
How's your kidneys? Your kidneys good?
This kidney! It gets funnier every single time.
That sounded so bad.
Oh, my stomach, dude, my stomach hurts.
It's gonna be a bad video, they said.
I really didn't want to do this, but I think it's the only shot I have.
It's gonna be fine.
Hold up.
No, you got this. You're good.
The thing is, when you're sitting on this, you can't see the rail because it's like right where your wheel is.
That was perfect.
I'm gonna try to feeble the whole thing. How about that?
Feeble the entire thing. Sounds good. That was smooth. Is your kidney okay?
It's a little sore.
I might die.
My kidneys.
I don't know if that's possible.
Go ahead, take my trick. Now, after watching that, I'm gonna do a different trick. I'm gonna 180 into this.
Ah, the old switcheroo.
I guess that's what happens. You try to snake someone's trick.
Don't snake people's tricks. Full send.
I feel like we should just end it.
There are no ties in this sport.
From board to fakie.
Give it to him.
Mine's broken.
Trying the 180 again.
Little did I know this would be the longest video of all time.
This is gonna be my last video of the day. Worn out.
If he lands this, I might throw up on you.
I'll be ready.
Good.
Almost had it.
Pushing him so hard.
Pray for your boy.
If he went the other way, I would have given it to him, but that was exhilarating. It was nearly a comeback.
Fetty, you won.
That could have been the single best video we've ever filmed in our entire career here at Braille Skateboarding.
I think I got more injured in that than my actual skateboard.
But we had a great time making that video, so I hope you guys had a great time watching it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and if you guys want to follow them on Instagram, the links will be in the description below. You can click over right here, over Fetty's head, to subscribe. Click down here near Fetty's crotch to check out the next video in this playlist, and over here to go to brailleskateboarding.com to check out all the skateboarding needs and stuff you need to go out there and progress every single day. So thank you so much. You are the best, and we'll see you in the next video.
And also, if Razor wants to send us some custom bikes.
Seriously,
Can
man.
we be the first
Razor,
pros?
if you send us
First
a
pros.
Fetty bike that's indestructible to this guy, I will be like the most impressed man in the world.
get the
So
good one.
thank you, Razor.